In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Outlook Signature. By the end, you'll know exactly how to insert an image into your Outlook web signature and scale it so it looks clean and professional in every email. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website from the results to open your mailbox. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your settings. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right and click the small gear icon to open settings. In the panel that appears, choose the Account section. From there, go to Signatures. This is where you create and manage the signatures that Outlook can attach to your messages. If you don't have one yet, click Add Signature to create a new one. You can give it a clear name so you recognize it later, especially if you plan to have multiple versions. Inside the signature editor, place your cursor where you want the image to appear. Now click Insert, and then choose Pictures. This opens your file picker. Browse to the image you want to use, maybe a company logo or a profile photo, and select it to insert it into the editor. With the picture in place, here's how to resize it neatly. Click once on the image to select it. You'll see small handles appear at the corners. Click and hold one of those corner handles, then drag inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. Using the corner handles keeps the proportions locked, so your image doesn't look stretched or squashed. Avoid dragging the side handles, which can distort the image. As you resize, aim for a balanced look that doesn't overwhelm your text. A logo that's roughly the same visual height as 2 to 3 lines of text usually feels right. If you're working with a photo, keep it compact, big enough to be clear, but small enough to keep your signature tidy. Smaller images also keep your emails lightweight, which helps them load quickly for recipients. If you make a change you don't like, simply undo it and try again until the size feels just right. When you're happy with the result, your image is set within the signature, ready to appear exactly where you placed it. That's it. You opened Outlook, went into Settings, navigated to Signatures, added your signature, inserted your picture, and resized it by dragging the corner handles. Follow these steps, and your Outlook signature will look polished and consistent in every message you send.